Welcome to another ACTI feature presentation. In the following, we will introduce the different features of ACTI's Central Management Software, or CMS 2.0. We will present the value position of the CMS among ACTI VMS, its solution and system architecture, its key objectives, how its features and functions fulfill those objectives, and also give an overall summary of its value. ACTI offers a complete line of VMS solutions. Today, we will focus on the CMS 2.0, a larger solution, allowing up to 6,400 channels of cameras from various MVRs. In reality, there may be many cameras on the system managed by a number of MVRs. A user of such a solution may have a difficult time when trying to navigate through all of these cameras and servers. In this case, the CMS can be used to quickly move in and out of these systems and manage all your MVRs and cameras. A sizable security surveillance solution becomes easier to manage and more efficient with a CMS in place. Presented here is an example of what a full video surveillance solution can look like. The CMS would be located here within the system, helping users have a full unified solution. Shown here is the CMS 2.0 system architecture, with its flow of video streams and controls. Also shown is the relationship between the cameras, MVRs, TV wall, and remote access. In the next section, we will introduce the key objectives, functions, and features of the CMS 2.0. The key objectives for a CMS 2.0 include for it to be a control center across locations, MVRs, and cameras, to be a direct management structure, act as a control center for TV wall display, and also allow users multiple different ways to monitor their system. Next, let us go into how the key features and functions of the CMS 2.0 fulfill its various objectives. In general, to be a control center across locations and devices, the CMS supports multiple MVR types and channels. Also included is the direct management structure that provides the ability to set up and playback within the CMS. It also supports use of the TV wall. Edge and redundancy recording is also included to further support full management via the CMS. Smart search applications with analytics and the integration with remote access makes the CMS 2.0 a great addition for users to heighten the accessibility and management of their security system. The first key objective of the CMS 2.0 is to be a control center to monitor systems across locations, MVRs, and cameras. Though the cameras and MVRs are at multiple different sites, it would all be manageable from the CMS 2.0 central point. Furthermore, though a user may own multiple different types of ACTI VMS, such as the ACTI ENR, GNR, MVR3, or even INR systems across different locations depending on the size and purpose of each location, the CMS 2.0 would still be able to support all listed MVR types up to 6,400 channels. It also enables the users to view the live view and playback video of any combination of cameras in any location at any time. Next, the second key objective of the CMS 2.0 is to allow the control center to manage and set up MVRs and cameras directly via its unified interface. Without the CMS, the MVR setup must be done on-site. As such, setting up multiple MVRs can be tedious work as the number of channels increases and you need to travel from site to site. With the CMS, the MVRs and channels involved are consolidated for a more streamlined setup experience directly from the control center. CMS 2.0 also supports event management. As such, no matter how far your camera or MVR is, if an incident occurs, you can get the alert immediately via the control center. For a practical user interface, the CMS 2.0 also supports up to 100 channels of synchronized playback. Grouped by different MVR servers, the time-based search bar can be used to handle the continuous playback for an easy view of the recorded video. Another major feature of the CMS is the EMAP. The EMAP can be used to clearly locate MVRs within a geological representation of the entire system. To see the live view of any MVR on this map, the user simply clicks on the icon. The third key objective of the CMS 2.0 is the use of the TV wall. With the TV wall, an operator in the control center can relocate and focus a channel of interest quickly onto a large screen. This reduces the critical response time for any emergency that may take place. The CMS also allows users to manage and review video recorded on the local storage, in addition to viewing the same recordings on the MVR. If the MVR fails, video stored on the local storage can be imported back to the MVR when it returns to operational status, effectively creating a redundant system that provides the users with an extra layer of assurance. In terms of intelligent analytics, the CMS also provides the ability to perform smart searches in the recorded video. For example, the user may select a time period and an area within the view of the recorded video to smart search for any changes in footage. The CMS then searches all such instances to vastly reduce the amount of time the user has to spend looking for related events. Finally, the fourth key objective of CMS 2.0 is to allow various monitoring media as the opportunity presents itself. The CMS can be managed via Workstation, Web Client, Active Mobile Client, and Mobile Command Center, each running on different platforms with different purposes. The CMS Workstation is built in with the CMS Control Center. It can also be used to manage the CMS remotely, as can the browser-based web client. In addition, the Workstation can also be customized to meet the needs of project services. A mobile solution can also be used with the CMS solution. A mobile device can receive an event from the CMS for an immediate notification anytime, anywhere. Both the Android and iOS platforms are supported by the CMS mobile solution. The Mobile Command Center is a special service offered by ACTI. It can be customized to fit your requirements as you find necessary. In summary, the ACTI CMS 2.0 has the following benefits. It has a centralized video monitoring across locations, MVRs, and cameras. It has a direct management structure and simple functions. It reduces response time and increases response accuracy via the TV wall. It can customize your requirements and keep you alert anytime, anywhere via remote access. It can perform smart searches to make incident searches quick and easy. And it allows you to view your recordings on the edge with local storage or use it for redundant recordings. This concludes another ACTI presentation. Thank you for listening.